Welcome to Reddway.
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of integrating your custom domain into your website created on our platform. Let's get started. Log into your store account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section on the left side panel. In the Settings menu, locate the Domain Settings option and click on it. To use a custom domain, you need to be subscribed to our paid plan. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do to access this feature. Now click on the Custom Domain option. Enter the custom domain that you already own in the provided field. Click on the Save button to save your custom domain settings. After saving, you will receive a pop-up displaying 2 DNS records that you need to update in your domain provider settings. Open a new tab and go to your domain provider, such as GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. Open My Products page. Scroll down until you see a list of all your domains. Click on the DNS button next to the domain which you want to use. First, delete any pre-existing records with the name of or www, then add 2 new records using the data given in our website. Make sure to save the change in the end. Congratulations! You successfully integrated your custom domain. You can go ahead and publish your website now, and your website will be published with your custom domain shortly. Thank you for choosing Reddway for creating your website. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you.